I'm also joined today by Nicholas Jimenez, President and CEO of ICBC, and together we'll take your questions in a few moments. For some time, we've been talking about changes at ICBC and how they're going to help make people's auto insurance premiums and in turn their lives more affordable. Today, the rubber hits the road. What we're here to do is to introduce an improved online tool that will let you estimate just how much you'll save when you renew your vehicle insurance under enhanced care. You'll recall that last month we talked generally about how when enhanced care comes into effect on May 1st, customers who purchase both basic and optional insurance from ICBC will save on average 20%. As well, we noted that most customers will also be eligible for a one-time prorated enhanced care refund. The online estimator lets you find out what those savings are going to mean for you personally. It's live now at icbc.com/enhanced care. That's icbc.com/enhanced care. What it will do is show you how much you'll save under enhanced care versus what you paid last time. And if you're eligible, it will also display a refund amount of the difference between your current auto plan coverage and the new lower cost enhanced care coverage. Those refunds will be issued between May and July after enhanced care coverage comes into effect. That refund amount depends in part on your renewal date and how much of your current policy falls after May 1st when enhanced care comes into effect. The tool is very user-friendly. All you need is have your driver's license and your plate number. And as you use the tool, you can also look at how changes that you may want to make to your coverage will affect your savings and premiums. For example, if you have a new driver in the family who's going to be driving your vehicle, or you want to add or adjust optional coverage. A couple more things. You can rely on this tool to give you an estimate that's accurate based on the information you put in and at the time you use it. This tool will be able to handle up to 1,000 users at one time, or about 6,000 people an hour. And we will expect that it will take 10 minutes or so for someone to do their calculations and to log off. Even if you're user number 1001, you'll still be able to estimate your refund while you wait for your user volume to decrease. One last bit of news. Depending on how you use your personal vehicle, you may be able to save even more money than the calculator shows. For example, if you don't drive a lot, you may be eligible for a low kilometer discount. Your auto plan broker can walk you through these extra saving options when you renew your auto insurance. In closing, I want to reiterate that the biggest decrease in basic insurance rates in 40 years and a large decrease in optional liability rates aren't the only great things ahead, which you can now see for yourself through this estimator tool. If you're injured in a crash, ICBC's new enhanced care coverage will mean significantly improved care and recovery benefits regardless of fault. We're making affordability and caring for people a priority, and more than ever, ICBC is going to reflect that going forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. As a reminder to everybody on the phone line, please press *1 to enter the queue. You'll be limited to one question and one follow-up only. Our first question today comes from Lisa Houston, News 1130.
I'm wondering how much you're estimating in rebates are going to go out in total in the province.
Well, obviously it will depend on the number of people renewing their insurance, but we're expecting on average about 20% savings for individuals, and that should on average be about $400.
Do you have a follow-up, Lisa?
I was more meaning, do you have a bank total for how much it's going to be across the board for the corporation?
You speak up.
I was not referring to each person. That number has been quite clear. I was referring to how much in total is it going to cost ICBC.
Okay. I'll ask our CEO of ICBC to provide that number for you, Nicholas.
Sure. I think when we launched the program a year ago, we were intending that the savings would be somewhere in around the $1.5 billion, and that's to the system overall. So that's what we think enhanced care is going to cost less in terms of the delivery and the cost of auto insurance.